Hi, I'm Alicia Lamb, and this is Module 1 for Class 858. Overview of me. I am a special education teacher for Auburn Washburn USD 437. This is my 8th year as a special education teacher in the district. Majority of my students this year are 5th and 6th. However, I have had a behavior classroom where I've had some kindergarten, first, second, fourth, fifth, sixth. Surprisingly, I haven't had to work with third grade students very often. We have over 600 students in our building, and of those 600 students, we have a preschool classroom, an autism classroom, about 36 to 40 special ed students between 3 SPED teachers and a high general education population. Our ELL population is increasing also each year, so that's a little fun because we can get some of that cultural diversity. Personal information. I have been married for 7 years to my husband, Josh. We have 3 daughters, Mackenzie, 5, who just started kindergarten this year. Delaney is 2, she'll be 3 in November, and Callahan is 7 months old. We live in Topeka, Kansas, and we have a dog named Deacon. A critical reflection. Being a special education teacher, I currently live in data. With our district-wide data, as an elementary school, we test kids using AIMSweb in math and reading. We are in our 4th year of using AIMSweb. Reading assessments, we have way more than we would for math, sorry. Fontes and Pinnell is used every beginning of the year, middle of the year, and end of the year to gauge a student's reading level. PALS is for 6th, 7th, and 8th. It is a reading and word recognition fluency measure. We have our Quick Phonics Screener and Quick Spelling Screener that we give to students that are Tier 2 and Tier 3. Key Math is given to our Tier 3 students district-wide. Classroom data, teachers use unit tests and quick checks to see where their kids are performing in the classroom. Critique of my knowledge. I have a lot of knowledge when it comes to using data because that's the world I live in. As a special education teacher, we use our data to drive our instruction and to make changes to the programs we are using. If we do not see the progress we want to see, then we need to have a change of program because clearly we're not addressing the right need. Biweekly data is kept with our AIMSweb program for Tier 2, Tier 3 kids that are receiving intervention in reading and math. Quarterly data is used for progress reports in special education. So depending on what the student's goals are, that will depend on what type of data we use. And semester is data like I said before, use Fontes and Pinnell every beginning, middle, and end of year. Same with AIMSweb is every beginning, middle, and end of year. And this is just to see growth. Sometimes you may not always see that. Why we collect data, I've already stated that we may need to change the instruction. We have had kids that reach semester and they have flatlined, so we really got to see what maybe the program we're using isn't narrowing down on the skills enough, or they need a more intensive instruction. If they are flatlined, maybe that Tier 2 kid needs to be moved to a Tier 3 kid, so we have to put him up for evaluation and see what his needs are. Or if we have a general education kid that might need to be put through a GEI plan or moved to a 504 because what is they're doing in the classroom is not working. This also determines the type of supports that we use in the classroom if they get a para coverage or get pull-out services. Our plan, as always, more continuing education, district professional development, and meeting with my special education team. Needs, we still would like some comprehensive math assessment other than Key Math and AIMSweb. AIMSweb doesn't narrow down enough. key math, like I said, is for tier 3 kids, so we can't necessarily use it on all general education kids, and that makes it really difficult. And it's a very long assessment. Writing assessment, unfortunately, writing is just very objective. And to say like a sixth grader should have these skills, well, yes, but not all sixth graders across the country write like this. And so those are two areas I would like some support in, and especially in writing. I struggle with teaching writing, that is one of my weaker areas, so it's an area I need a lot more support in. All right, that is the end. Let's have a wonderful semester and a very quick 8 weeks.